Hello, I'm Nick Adams, one of the financial consultants on the team at John Graham & Associates. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the much talked about and debated student loan forgiveness program. Now, this isn't new in history. Loan forgiveness and restructuring has happened many times over American history, with the most recent being the modern GI Bill. But today we're going to talk about more than just the forgiveness part. We're going to talk about the three major changes they made to the overall student debt situation in America. Let's start with the one we're talking about the most, targeted debt relief. Americans can receive up to $10,000 in student debt write-offs in federal loans if their income is under $125,000. Now that income level goes up to $250,000 for married couples. So a married couple can have a write-off of $20,000 as a couple. If they have Pell Grants that are included with those student loans, federal student loans, then that individual could have $20,000 individually written off for them in student loans. The second major restructuring in this executive order is the loan overhaul part of the system. Changes were made. As we know, loans are currently still on hold and don't need to be paid until the end of 2022. But there are four major changes that they made overall to the restructuring of debt moving forward. The first major change in the overall restructuring of student debt is that student loan payments will now be capped at just 5% of borrowers' income. So loans and payment amounts will not go over, the payment amount will not go over 5% of borrowers' income. The second major change and a big impact is no borrower's monthly interest will increase as long as they're making continual payments of their loans. The third change is that loans under $12,000 will automatically be forgiven after 10 years of repayment. And the fourth change is that borrowers making less than $15 per hour will not have to make monthly payments moving forward. So those are some major changes to the plan. The third major step in all this is protecting borrowers from future abuse. The Department of Education has directed the restructuring of the PSLF program that assists public servants like veterans and teachers. On top of that, the Department of Education has reinstated the enforcement of the Federal Office of Student Aid. This is all being done to boost consumer confidence in the overall student aid process and student loan process. So in today's video, we learned it's not just about debt relief right now and writing off of debt that's outstanding for student loans. It's about restructuring steps moving forward to make a better program for Americans and to give back confidence in the program where we've gotten ourselves in a whole lot today. Now, if you are one who has some debt that you believe it qualifies to be written off, the website for that is going to open in mid-October. If you hadn't had to register previously with your income, you'll go on in October and you'll register and you'll put your 2020 and 2021 income in and you register to have your debt written off. And the government wants to have that all done by November 15th. So they want everyone to go online and register to have some of their debt forgiven if they qualify by November 15th. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like what you see and you want to find out more, you can always check us out on our website at investwithjga.com or go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Invest with JGA, where you'll find more content just like this video. Thank you.